In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect PayPal payments using Jotform. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate PayPal with your forms, you've come to the right place. Step 1 is heading over to jotform.com. When you arrive on the sign-in page, you have a few options to log in. You can use your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can simply log in with your email address and password. This is your gateway to accessing the full suite of tools Jotform offers. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific form that you want to modify. This is important because these settings are applied on a per form basis. After selecting your form, you're going to enter the form builder. Now in the form builder, head over to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Add Form Element. This is where the magic begins, as it allows you to insert various elements into your form to better cater to your needs. Moving on, click on the Payments tab. In this section, you'll find a range of payment options available to integrate with your form. You'll want to search for and select the desired PayPal integration that suits your needs. There are options like PayPal Standard and PayPal Checkout. Choose one that fits the integration you're planning to implement. Once you've made your choice, you can either click to add it or simply drag and drop the PayPal element into your form. It's really that straightforward. After placing the PayPal payment element onto your form, the next step is to connect it with your PayPal account. On the right hand side of your screen, you'll see the settings panel. This is where you'll need to enter your PayPal account details. You can choose to enter your account email here for a seamless setup. Now, we're moving closer to getting everything live. Before you click connect, it's important to select which mode you'd like to operate in. Jotform provides two: live mode, which connects directly to your registered PayPal business account, and test mode, which uses a PayPal sandbox account. Test mode is particularly helpful if you want to ensure everything's running smoothly without processing real payments. Make your selection based on whether you're ready to go live or still in the testing phase. Finally, click connect. You'll be prompted to log into the PayPal account associated with the mode you've selected. Once logged in, your PayPal integration is complete and you are ready to start accepting payments. This streamlined process ensures that you can handle transactions quickly and securely. And there you have it, that's how you set up PayPal payments in Jotform. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more quick tutorials like this one.